Welcome to the Airless Discounter video series. Today we'll be painting a shoe rack created by the carpenter. We are using Aquavision insulating primer for wood from Südwest. We're spraying with the FARBMAX Airless M4 with an AirCoat hose attached, the AC 4600 Pro with a reversible 510 spray tip. A few important points to mention. We are using the fine finish spray tip from Wagner, the violet spray tip. This particular spray gun, the AC 4600 Professional, there is no air volume control in the classical sense, but this spray gun has a round and wide beam adjustment similar to the cabinet spray guns. The pressure regulator sits here on the machine. It's a pre-regulator from Wagner on the Airless spray device. That is why we can only adjust the spray jet on the gun. We spray the material with a pressure of 125 bar and an air pressure of about 1 to 1.5 bar. We finish with the Aquavision PU white lacquer satin from Südwest, sprayed with a 408 spray tip.